We want to express the values shown on the number line using A, interval notation, and B, inequality notation. So we have two collections of numbers. One extends from negative infinity all the way up to 2, not including 2 because of the open circle. The other collection of values starts at 8, including 8 because of the filled-in circle, and extending all the way to positive infinity. So we want to express an interval notation being a part of either the first set of values or the second set of values. We're going to write that as open parentheses, negative infinity, comma 2, open parentheses, because we don't want to include 2. And we said it could be in this set of values or, which means we're going to use the union symbol, or in the second set of values, which includes 8. So we're going to start with a bracket, 8, comma, infinity, open parentheses. Both negative and positive infinity have open parentheses. And now for part B, to write this in inequality notation, the first collection of values is all x values less than 2. So x is less than 2. Or we could be from the other collection of values, x values are greater than or equal to 8. The word or in inequality notation translates to the union symbol in interval notation. Now let's express the values shown on the number line using, again, interval notation and inequality notation. This collection of values, seen here, starts from negative infinity and extends all the way to positive 5, not including 5 because of the open circle, and then including all values greater than 5 all the way to positive infinity. In interval notation, we're going to write this as parentheses, negative infinity, comma 5, open parentheses to not include 5, union, open parentheses 5, comma, positive infinity, open parentheses. So here this says everything except for the number 5. Now for part B in inequality notation, there's a really nice short way to express this. We're going to say x is not equal to 5. Now we could have written x is less than 5 or x is greater than 5, but it's clearly a little bit nicer and shorter to simply write x does not equal 5. In this example, we're given the following inequality notation. X is less than 2 or x is greater than or equal to 0. We want to sketch the values on a number line and write the equivalent in interval notation. So we'll start with the inequality x is less than 2. We're going to go to the x value 2 and put an open circle since we're strictly less than 2, and we're going to draw a line extending towards negative infinity. Or we could also be in the set of values where x is greater than or equal to 0. So I'm going to go ahead and go to 0 on the number line, and I'm going to put a filled-in circle there, and I'm going to go ahead and extend all the way on the right side towards positive infinity. So my collection of values is either in the first set, x is less than 2, or it could be in the second set where x is greater than or equal to 0. Well, that means that my value could be from anywhere on the number line. Every single value is covered by the collection of those two sets. So in interval notation, that would be open parentheses, negative infinity to infinity. So to be clear, our number line representation would be just one solid line across the entire number line from negative infinity to infinity.